This lesson is from the 6th grade Houghton Mifflin English book. It is on kinds of sentences, and it goes with pages 32 to 34 in the student textbook. A sentence that makes a statement is a declarative sentence. For example, we bought a package of wrapping paper. I want you to send it to me. He ran 100 miles. Now, those last two examples, I've made them specific because I want you to send it to me. Many people think that's an imperative sentence. That is not imperative. That is declarative. It's making a statement. If it just said send it to me, then it would be imperative. And he ran 100 miles exclamation point. Many people think that's exclamatory because it has an exclamation point, but that is not the case. It is still declarative. It's making a sentence. You'd have to start with a question word to make it exclamatory. Let's look at the second one. A sentence that asks a question is an interrogative sentence. For example, what are you going to wrap? A sentence that gives a command or makes a request is an imperative sentence. For example, go get it. A sentence that shows excitement or strong feeling is an exclamatory sentence. What a good friend you are. Exclamatory sentences will begin with a question word but not ask a question. So if you look at the example, it starts with what. What is a question word, but it's not asking me a question, therefore it's exclamatory. Let's try some here. Okay, how many pennies are in the bowl? That is a question, so it ends with a question mark, and that makes it interrogative. The contest deadline is tomorrow. That is a statement, so it ends in a period, and it is declarative. Write your answer in the box. It is telling me to do something, so it ends in a period, and that is imperative. What an interesting guess she made. What is a question word, but it's not asking me a question, so I'm going to give it an exclamation point because it's exclamatory. Do you think I'll win a prize? Ends with a question mark. That is interrogative. Let's try some more. All right. I'm really looking forward to this trip. That ends in a period. It's just telling me something, so that is declarative. Have you ever climbed, this mountain? That should be a question, and that is interrogative. Look at my great new hiking boots. That is telling me to do something, so it's a period and imperative. Please give me the bug spray. Again, it's telling me to do something, so period, imperative. Did you pack a map? Question, interrogative. 2 pairs of socks should be enough. That is a statement, so it is a period, declarative. How careless of me to forget my soap. How is a question word but not asking a question, so that is an exclamation point and it is exclamatory. These snacks will give us some energy. That is a statement, so period and declarative. Do we have everything? Question mark, interrogative. What a lot of stuff we have. Again, what is a question mark word, but it is not asking me a question. So exclamation point, exclamatory. Hiking can be hard work. That is a statement, so it is declarative. Help me carry our backpacks to the car. That is a command, so period, and that is imperative. Will your lotion really block the sun's harmful rays? That is a question, so question mark, interrogative. You won't be too hot or too cool if you bring layers of clothing. That is a statement, so period and declarative. Be careful not to pack more than you carry. That is telling you something, so that is a period and that is imperative. I have the compass and the flashlight. That is a statement, so period, and that is declarative. Do we have enough water? That is a question, so interrogative. How much film should I bring? Again, a question, an interrogative. And what do we have left? Exclamation point, exclamatory. There's my question word. How exciting it will be to reach the top of the mountain. That is not a question, so it is in fact exclamatory.